Hi, my name is Paulina. Welcome to sennder Benelux. Our office is a mix of people from all over the world, and we cannot wait to have you here. Come check out the office with me.
Ideas can come from all areas of the business, and I think it gives new people in the organization a real opportunity to make a high degree of impact early on.
This is my first full-time job. Just finished college, so I was a little bit nervous to start working, and the team received me with open arms and they were super warm.
When you move to a new country, you're always a bit afraid, like, oh, am I going to fit in? Am I going to find these new connections? And the first week that I was here, everybody was like, yeah, let's go get a drink, let's have some fun, I'll help you move in.
Even though I had no background in logistics, it was very easy to pick up, and there's always a host of information available and people to talk to.
It's very diverse culture, and you got people coming from all over the world bringing their skill set and their knowledge into the Amsterdam office.
The work culture is a big improve from what I had in Turkey. I just have so much freedom, and I actually feel that my managers and my coworkers trust me to do my job on time.
It is an industry that I think has been slow to digitize, which creates a tremendous amount of opportunity to innovate and to push the industry overall to a place that's more efficient.
The office is very cozy. For me, it's a home away from home.
I really like coming to the office because, first of all, it allows me to interact with coworkers, and that really, improves my mood so that I'm, more motivated to work.
A really big perk is that we also get lunch. So we've got a super nice canteen where we get subsidized meals.
They also have like the table tennis. It's always fun and a little bit competitive as well.
I think you have a front row seat into one of the underpinnings of the global economy, which is road transportation. We have a high degree of focus on multinational enterprise shippers, ones that have a pan-European or global supply chain footprint. And in parallel, we're focusing on some mid-market and smaller shippers as well.
If you love a fast-paced, super diverse environment where you get to work with loads of people across different offices, this is definitely the spot.